Today is the official relaunch of the Atlantic in partnership with the Atlanta Food and Wine Festival and Atlanta Magazine.
The event is fabulous. It gives everybody an opportunity to come in and see all of the new and exciting changes that are happening to the Atlantic.
The amenities of the whole building was fantastic. My favorite thing I liked about the building, probably the unit itself. The vastness of the ceilings, the rooms are very large.
You can come in at an angle, so it feels a bit more subdued. Then you turn the corner, opens up. Yeah. Walk-in closets, bathrooms were nice, large.
Everything's gorgeous with everything being updated and the skyline views.
The views are amazing.
The Atlantic is a standalone, amazing view building.
The new owners put their hands on every component of the building that could be enhanced.
The new ownership is going to turn this building into the premier real estate property that it should be.
It's really nice, impeccable.
Very good feel.
Everyone is just really nice.
This is amazing.
Great execution on this event. It's really cool seeing people that you know from the community that are here and showing off their food and wanting to be a part of everything going on here at Atlantic.
I feel like I'm home now.
If I had to describe the Atlantic in one word, I would say progressive.
Welcoming.
Style.
Grand.
Atlanta has been waiting for this building and is ready to go.